Yeah, hi friends. Good morning, everyone. So, today I'm going to show you how to get all the apps in one environment and find out whether they are having any premium connectors or they are only just standard connectors. This will help you to identify who are the apps or what are the apps which uses the premium connectors in any organization in a particular environment. This will be mainly helpful for the governance part. We can identify, okay, if any user is using any premium connector, we can identify that particular app or user and reach out to that user when if he is using any premium connectors if it is not allowed. Yeah, it's very simple in Power Automate. We don't need any script in PowerShell also it's possible, but Power Automates it's just a two-step work. I'm just created a flow. I'm just editing it. I'm not going to create it again because it's just simple two steps, a manual trigger flow. Get apps as an admin is the action available only for global admins. I just created my trial tenant, and I am the global administrator for it. So it is available only for global admins, and it can be done only by the global administrators. And you need to provide your environment name, default, and the environment GUID. This you can get in PowerShell by using a command called get hyphen power app environment. I will just show you that command over here. This one, get hyphen power app environment. Again, this you will be able to get if you are having only global administrator rights. So this is the command used to get all the environment names and with GUID like this. As I am the default, I am in the default environment. This is the GUID. Now we need to specify the GUID here. App version it will come by default. No need to type anything over here. Just leave it. And I just used select to store the app classification type, whether to identify the app is uh, standard or premium and owner of the app. And finally I'm just sending out this email, this output in email. This is how the output looks. You will get the app classification as standard and owner is this one, and app standard owner is this one. App, I have one premium app and owner is this one, and I can reach out to like this. So in the body you need to write body of get apps as an admin question mark body question mark value. Okay, in apps qualification type you need to write this one. This is exactly similar, you don't need to change anything. It's common for any application, any tenant. You don't need to change anything. This schema written by this get apps administration will be the same. You don't need to change anything. And there are some other properties also. I will show you the entire schema. JSON returned by get apps as an administrator, but in this example I need only app plan classification and owner. That's it. I'm just adding here. I'm just going to test this one now. Automatically test it so that it will be helpful for me to explain this JSON returned by the application. See, this is the JSON returned by the application. I'm just JSON returned by the get apps as an administrator. I'm just putting here Google code editor. Just going to put this code in any one of the code editor. Okay, I think so I already used this application. This is how it looks. The entire JSON of get apps looks like this. Initially, it will be name, and then if you minimize it, there are five apps, I guess. Each will be returned as an array. See, if you see, open this square bracket, it means it's array. In this array, there is an object called name, and name has some properties. Okay, these are first it is properties. In properties, we have app classification as standard. That's how it is. If I see here, what I'm doing here, my function output is coming like this, and input is this one. I will again show you the expression. I need to call the body of get apps and body dot value, and that will be same for everyone. There won't be any difference. This one. Thank you. Any questions? Just please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.